Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel and today we are diving into how to insert PDF into Google Documents. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Google Drive and there you have to copy a link. So tap on new, go to the folders and here create a folder. Okay, suppose create here. Okay, so here you have a file. So tap on these three dots and you have to copy the link and then go to this folder, tap on new, tap on fold, tap on new, go to the Google Documents and here tap and hold for some time and there you'll have options of paste. So tap on paste and you can copy this and again tap on these three dots and tap on insert link. So this will add the PDF to your Google Documents. Here you can tap on rename and rename this document. So when you open the folder, you will get the link and from here you can tap and open the link. So that's it. Here we are done. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.